Welcome to the SSI Ecological Monitoring Programme, developed by the Save Koh Tao Group. During the EMP, you will be assessing reef health, abundance and biodiversity. This is done using a belt transect survey, which means all data is collected along a reference line that is set up in the same place every month. On the dive, you will be looking for certain indicator species or animals that are ecologically important and can tell us about changes in the reef ecosystem. Your instructor will teach you about these indicator species and what to look for underwater. But first, let's go through the dive procedure. For this dive, you will have some additional equipment to a normal scuba dive. This includes tape measures, a SSI disc, slate, pencil, and water sampling bottle. Upon entering the water, the first step is to locate the survey starting point, usually marked with a concrete buoy. Your instructor will show you the starting point today, but try to use the mooring buoy or reference points on land to remember the location so that you can return in the future. After locating the starting point, descend slowly as a group and start laying out the tape measure as a transect line. This is done in buddy pairs, with one diver navigating and one diver laying out the line. The diver laying out the lines will need to tie the line to the starting point, while the person navigating finds the bearing for that site. When both divers are ready, the navigator will swim slowly, navigating a straight line, while the diver laying the line follows behind. When navigating, it is important to maintain proper arm and compass positioning. Swim in a straight line, looking back through your legs occasionally to check on your buddy. Do not look around to the side or over your shoulder for your buddy, as this may change your course and prevent you from finding the end point. If you are the diver laying out the line, follow the navigator in a straight line about 1 to 1.5 meters from the bottom. Lay the line straight with the metric side facing up and do not choose where the line falls. If you are too high from the bottom, lay the line out loosely or do not follow the navigator exactly, then the line will not be straight and the data taken that day may not be useful. Most likely, you will have to stop to tie the two 50-meter tape measures together in the middle to make a 100-meter line. After the line is laid out, you may start your survey, marking down any fish or invertebrate indicator species you find in the survey sections onto your slate. Your instructor will go over the survey techniques with you, as they are different for each survey. After data collection is complete, carefully reel in the line, making sure not to pull the line or damage any corals. Be sure all equipment has been collected and ascend slowly as a group. For the EMP, all of the normal SSI standards and safety precautions for diving should be adhered to. The EMP dive is more intensive. Be sure all equipment is well attached or stowed away so that it does not damage corals or get lost. Remember to be aware of your positioning and buoyancy while taking data. Thank you for listening and enjoy your participation in the ENP.